Okay, here's the box from Amazon, and here's the product, and of course, once again, Amazon has included the perfectly fitting size to use for the box without any bubble wrap this time. Thank you, Amazon. You're the best. It almost looks like a makeup, some type of makeup related box. It says selfie ring light, rechargeable battery, universal compatibility, fashionable design, time to take better selfies. That's very important because I love fashionable designs. Otherwise, why bother? Made in China. Scan with your transparency app. I'm not even sure what you're supposed to be scanning. A golden ticket to the chocolate factory, maybe? Oh, it's like one of those Russian doll things. Yeah, it still looks like a makeup kit or some kind of makeup thingies, I don't know what you call them. Except there's a USB port here. This is literally a piece of paper. It's not even a sticker. It just has the, I don't know, I guess this is their logo. Thank you, it says. And then it says happy? Question mark. Well, I don't think happiness exists. I think you're either joyful or sad. Happiness is a made-up word by miserable people who wants to be happy. They included a USB. This is the manual. I'm assuming this does not mean you have to connect to all 4 of these devices in order to charge or make it work. I'm assuming you can just use either one of these. Or even maybe here's the USB cable. It looks very short, which again, I'm quite greedy, so I'm not exactly impressed by that. I wish it was longer, but it will do. So here we are. Pretty simple. It's like a hairband. You can maybe use it to even use it as a hair thing for your cereal. Oh, it actually has battery in it already. So it just turns on. I did not... Oh wow, okay. I did not charge this prior. I literally took it out of the box and I just pressed this button here. And literally it has power already. So it looks like it has 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. This is the brightest and then it turns off again. So that's pretty good. So there it is. The QIAYA. I don't even know how to pronounce this. I'll maybe do a review on how good this works, maybe in another video. Let me know in the comment section. I'll probably do it anyway because there'll probably be no comments because this is a YouTube channel that nobody watches or cares about. So I guess until next time.